Hi beauties, hi hair lovers, welcome back to my page. This is your girl Vienna's B hair, and this is my beautiful client. I had to do knotless braids for her. I started by washing her hair very clean, and then I proceeded moisturizing the hair, adding leave-in conditioner and slightly blow drying it because I needed it damp so as to cut less pain. I'm further going to pat the hair. Usually I don't pat the hair, but I discovered that patting the hair really gives you precise sizes, consistent sizes, and it gives you precise patting. To be honest, it takes time, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. So I've done one side of her hair. We did knotless braids. This is big knotless braids, and going further to the other side, I always like to start my hair in the front because when you're just starting doing hair, you have energy, you have the strength. Do you understand? Especially if you're not sure if your extension is going to be enough, it's always better to start at the front because the front of the hair is the beauty of the hair. So I did a short video on how to do knotless braids. There are different ways, but this is the method I use on her hair. After parting the hair, I apply the shine and jam or any gel of your choice. I braid twice and then I start adding up the hair. Remember that the idea about knotless braids is to reduce weight, so there's no need starting her hair and then further going with a big extension. It would defeat the purpose of the knotless braids. Knotless braids equals painless braids according to my quotation, and it equals less breakage of hair. So if you're adding too much hair at the beginning of your knotless braids, it's no longer knotless braids. So after adding 2 to 3 pieces, I braid down, and if you want to increase the length, you just further braid down, and you braid down, you braid down, you braid down. That's just the idea about knotless braids. And at my tips, I always like sharp and precise tips, so I prefer to twist it out. It's faster for me that way. Different braiders have their methods, but this is my method. This is what works for me. So you just have to go with what works for you. So this is how the front part of the hair looks like. I'm done with the front part and I'm just going to start the back. It's easier because I've parted the back already. I had my girl Khadija helping me. Thank you so much, girl. I love you. Thank you for all the help you've been giving me. So she just helped me to complete the hair, and you can see the pattern, you can see the consistency in the sizes. You can see with the help of the shine and jam how sleek the hair looks like. So I always just go to trim away the flyaways, even though I'll still be putting it in hot water. I trim away the flyaways. I apply molds. I apply the got to be spray, and this is what the braid looks like. She was so happy. It's painless. It didn't take us so much time because, as you can see, it's a little bit above the medium size. So there's my client going home. Happy client. Please remember to click on the like button if you've not liked and follow our page yet. I was just explaining to her mother why we did a knotless braid, and her mother was super happy with the hair. So please book us. Vienna's Beauty Salon is located in Tralee if you're around Ireland, or you can order any. We are available to travel for braids. We do home service. We are located in Tricot House Lane, Tralee, County Kerry, in Ireland, but we are available. We also do makeup. We do wig installation. We sell wigs, and we sell a variety of products. As you can see from the pictures, the parting of the hair, like how neat the braids are. We really take our time. It's not about the money, but we just want to provide the best service. So if you're around Ireland, feel free to pay us a visit at Record House Lane. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, what are you waiting for? We provide the best makeup service, nails, eyelashes. Just look at that pattern. And we are available to do like home service. We can come to you. So please subscribe to our channel, promote our work, and just spread out the word, recommend us. We take time and we maximize time as well. So you can see we do the braids 2 or 3 of us so that it can be fast. Time is money. You come to our salon and you spend just few hours. This can take the entire day, but with us you have just few hours to stay there. So this is it about the video of today. I'm trying to stay consistent in my on my YouTube channel, so I pray that you help me to achieve this goal. Once again, if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, and any video, any tutorial you want, just comment down below and we'll make the video available. I'll see you in my next video. It's your girl Vienna's Beauty. Bye.